Once your bot is connected to Wi-Fi and the map is ready, you can set up cleaning schedules. Orbi can follow up to 7 cleaning schedules at any given time. Open the bObsweep app, make sure Orbi is online, and there are no active trouble messages at the top of the page. Click Schedule and tap Add New Cleaning Schedule. When should Orbi clean? Tap to select the time when you would like Orbi to start cleaning. Schedule a time that is at least 15 minutes in the future. Then, select as many days as you would like to schedule for this time and hit Next. Where should Orbi clean? On the map, select as many rooms as you like for this schedule. Note that if a room has not been labeled before, the app will prompt you to label the room first. If you prefer to ask Orbi to clean everywhere on this schedule, simply toggle Clean Everywhere on. What should Orbi do? Select your preferred cleaning power settings. Name the schedule, then hit Next. Review the schedule summary. If everything looks good, tap Save or use the back button to go back and make modifications. You can see a schedule summary on the screen. To delete a schedule, grab and swipe left, then hit Delete. To edit a schedule, grab and swipe left, then hit Edit. Note that if you delete your bot from the app, delete room labels from the map, erase your map, or hard reset Orbi, scheduled cleaning will be deleted as well. If you need additional help with Orbi or the bObsweep app, please get in touch with our helpful support team.